It's Saturday the 22nd of April 2016, and I'm going to talk about a trade that I've just closed, which I think you'll be interested in. Now, if you follow my website and my blog, you'll know I operate a number of different trading systems. This trade is one from my daily trading system. Now, with my daily trading system, I don't sit in front of my computer screen and trade all day like you see on the films. That will be day trading, but I do a daily trading system where I look at six different things each day and decide whether there's a trend there that I'm interested in and whether I want to be on board. So it's a very yes/no system. It doesn't allow for any interpretation. I'm either in the trade or I'm not. I don't have to sit and think about it. So the rules that I have are very black and white, which makes things easier. And I only trade six different things. I trade three currency pairs, so that I don't have any overlap in the currencies, and I trade the gold market, the oil market, and a stock market. And members of my site will know exactly which currency pairs that I trade and how I go about it. But the bottom line is it's a very simple system, and the idea is to get on board trends when they're starting and to get off trends when they're stopping, and to make profit from the difference in the middle. And this is what I have in this trade here. So there was a signal back in February, I think it was on the 10th of February, for me to open a short position in a currency pair. Now, the currency pair was the British pound and the Australian dollar, and when the currency pair is listed that way around and the line is falling, then we know that the British pound is getting weaker against the Australian dollar, and so the signal was there that the pound was dropping in value against the Aussie dollar. So I opened a new position selling the British pound against the Aussie dollar. Now, this is a technique called shorting, where I would benefit if the price fell further. Now, indeed, the price did fall further, and you can see this line. This represents the close price at the end of each day, and you can see that the price continued to fall, and it continued to fall, and it continued to fall through March, all the way through March, and it continued to fall into April, fell down, and then yesterday it started to go back up again. And here, this for me is a signal, using one of my very simple signaling techniques, a signal for me to close the trade. So I had sold here and I bought back here, and what I made in profit was the difference in price. Now, depending on how much one puts on the trade, varies how much profit one makes. On this trade, I made £884.60, which is a very nice profit as far as I'm concerned. Now, I'm sure other traders would have made a lot more profit because they perhaps would have put more at risk onto the trade. But I have a very strict risk control system, money management system, so that if the trade doesn't work out, and many of my trades don't work out, that I don't lose too much money. And really the idea is that I let the profits run. Now, I just let this trade run and run and run and run and run until I had a good signal to close the trade, which I did yesterday. And I have plenty of other trades, very short trades that don't last very long, where the profit doesn't come because the trend doesn't continue, and so I'll close those trades out either for no loss or for a very small loss. And so the idea is that if I do enough trades and I get enough good trades like this one, that this will more than make up the difference of the trades that are not profitable. So overall, the system is profitable. So far this year, my bank has gone up from £8,000 to £10,000. So essentially I've made 25% profit so far this year, which in, well, just over 3 months is not bad, really. So it'll be very interesting to see how things go over the rest of the year. I will keep you informed. But this is an example of a successful trend trade. So I could see that the trend was down. I got on board and I stayed on the trend until the trend came to an end. As they say, the trend is your friend until the bend at the end. This, as far as I'm concerned, is the bend at the end. This is where I get off the elevator and take my profit. And that's why my website is called Trend Follower. I am a trend follower in terms of the way that I trade, and So if you're interested in my trading, consider becoming a member of my site. There's a modest fee for people that are members of my site. It's operated through a private Facebook page, so that people who are members will see every day what I'm trading and why I'm trading it, and so people can learn the techniques that I use. So it's all about what I do. I don't talk about theoretical stuff. I'm not a financial advisor. I can't give you advice about what you should do. But if you're interested in trend trading and want to know about what I do, then consider becoming a member. You might enjoy it. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and catch up with you soon. Bye for now.